storm damage in southeast Nebraska. A massive blast of wind socks a small town just after midnight. Wymore, south of Lincoln in Gage County, has trees down and crops destroyed. And KETV News Watch 7's Andrew Ozaki has this news story at 6.
Tree limbs thrown everywhere.
When the one hit on top of the house, it sounded like somebody shot a gun.
Winds so strong they crumpled this two-stall garage and collapsed Joel Wooten's back porch.
There's what's left of our patio cover.
Wooten happened to be up around 1 when the fast-moving storm ripped through Wymore. He was able to get his wife and daughter in the basement just in time.
It just exploded.
Winds up to 80 miles an hour knocked out power lines. A busy morning for Wymore's volunteer fire chief.
Transformers were on fire, had tree limbs on them. One house that we think shifted on the foundation.
Then dime-sized hail that piled up 3 inches deep stripped corn and bean crops just weeks from harvest.
It was pretty wild.
All hitting as most people slept and with no warning.
Both of our phones are hooked to the weather radio and neither one of them went off.
Most of the damage was through the south and east parts of Wymore, giving a parting punch to Ken Reed's new garage door as it left town.
I've been in a lot of storms, but I've never experienced the sound and the pressure that was involved in this one.
Ken Reed, who spent years as a weather spotter, believes it had to be a tornado that hit.
It was so loud, my wife yelled at me and I couldn't hear her yell at me. Now that is loud.
As residents clean up, they all say the same thing.
It could have been way worse.
Thankful no one was hurt.
It could have been a lot worse.
In Wymore, Andrew Ozaki, KETV, News Watch 7.